is what we do for y'all right here. This is for the culture.
Overgrow the planet. We overgrow the planet. Overgrow the planet. We overgrow the planet. Yeah. Overgrow the planet. Another 100 seeds I just planted. When it comes to harvest, getting so high that it might be Mars where I landed. If you hate on weed, then you get left stranded. Trim with the right, but I smoke left-handed. Grow with the light of the sun, underground, we game, we ran it. Hand in the soil, royal guava on deck. Back guano, compost, kelp, meal check. And I don't give Comet and Camp no respect. Worldwide, growing every place. Outlaws up in every state. Way it's going, I'ma be the first one to cultivate up in outer space. Look at that, look at that.
If y'all don't get 12 pounds of finished bud, my name's not sub-cool.
Pollinate, then I dominate. We all weed nerds and we on the dank. I'm a scientist, I got bomb to make. Australia to New Zealand, we germinating these seeds and we overgrowing this government. Can't chop all of this green in. I'm never giving up on this fight. LED or HPS light. Cut me down soon as you leave. I'm gonna sprout another seed. Yeah, that's right. Day and night I got plants to grow. Ganja farming international. Open up a fresh pack of seeds. I let them germinate and then overgrow the planet. The planet. We overgrow the planet. Overgrow the planet. The planet. We overgrow the planet. Yeah. Overgrow the planet. Another 100 seeds I just planted. Real cultivator teamed up with nature. We gon' do it all organic. Police they panic, they think what we do is a crime. Just like a trico, my crew gonna shine. Growing every flavor, pineapple to the mango. Oranges, blueberries, and limes. THC levels they climb. Wonder will I hit the peak? Grow 7 days of the week. Got 7 layers to keep. Pheno hunter and I'm playing for keeps. West to the east, sticky we blow. North to the south, we stay in control. This is my mission, put seeds in the hands of every ganja farmer all over the globe. Police can't stop us from growing this bomb. This is for my homies over the pond. We used to grow in the back of our moms. Now we on the mountaintop getting it on. Smoking that strong. We put the clouds in the sky. We got the heady supply. Overgrowing the entire planet till we leave them with red in their eye. I'ma plant my seeds. I'ma grow my trees. Worldwide high grade cultivator, yeah, we all keep it growing. Can't stop this green, can't stop my team, we on the roll. Twisting Skittles out the pot of gold. Clean sun grown, no spot of mold. I'm a ganja pro and I'ma overgrow the planet.
These clouds look like the ones at the beginning of The Simpsons. Yeah, it's like a real life version of that. It started right as the song ended. Yeah, that was perfect. I love shit like that. I love when you pull into like a parking spot or you get to your destination and the song ends. Mm-hmm. Oh, my OCD is like, nom, 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 nom.
Continue straight onto Illinois 49 South.
Ashcombe. I'm 12. Head into Ashcombe, you guys.
Illinois 49 South for 14 miles.
Ooh, these are my favorite kind of houses. These like old farmhouses that have wraparound porches. I absolutely love this.
sex or pussy or
Cum? Fuck yeah. That's my fucking, reminds me of high school right there.
Yeah.
Oh, Jim. The thing where I was like, why is the speed limit 49? I swear to God, I just did the same thing.
mic stand, my real mic stand.
You getting close? Oh, actually water in the middle.
On the dirt.
Yeah, it probably should be getting down there. Look. Quarter left. Water. Am I going in? Alright. Cannabis is in my blood. And dank is on my brain. Ganja's all up in my lungs. Cause I've been lighting chronic with the flame. I'm feeling real ganja-fied. Yo. When I touch the mic, they don't stand a chance. Cause I'm known to take out fake MCs like a bottom branch on my 10-foot ganja plant. Enhance my vision with the crystal finder harvest time. Grab a pair of Fiskars and I'll sharpen mine. Fastest trimmer in the West, Edward Scissorhands. California cultivation in my garden, twisting grams. Let me remind you, provide you with sticky fire. My seed has been germinated, my roots hit the mycorrhiza and explode in the dank mode of a doper. Man, I'm tired of these imitators claiming that they growers when the only green they ever clipped was working as a lawnmower. Tactical situation, I pull the pin. Bomb smoke. No, I'm not sober. I stay higher than comet choppers that mob over. I drop lyrics like seeds into the soil. I'm spoiled with every flavor. No, I'm about to probably get a smell complaint from my neighbor, but I still grow. Steel-toe boots that stay dirty. Early bird gets the worm castings. Farmers heard me, cause my lingo is from Mendocino, see no limits. World record best outdoor. Go ask Guinness, we been in this. Rollers always try to destroy this. Know the game's changing fast, I'm just trying to enjoy this. I avoid this type of cat who spreads like boitress. Pull my atomizer out, now there's no more voices. The rollers wanna see me on the yard. Hate cause I grew up on a marijuana farm. Turning on they sirens and ringing they alarm. Rubbing on my jar like it's a good luck charm. Yo, rap tastes wet. My flow's been cured, rhyme to perfection. I pull them out the stash spot. Farming's my profession. Wanted man, outlaw edibles I'm ingesting. Every branch holding weight, they say my plan is flexing. Killer, that's what I was stuffing in my blunt. Opened up my jar inside the car, he thought he hit a skunk. You thought you had the good and by now you getting jealous. Cause I'm with the dope fellas on top like a trellis. Step into my garden, take a puff and let your mind go. Legalize ganja and then watch the rate of crime slow. I can feel the dirty looks, questioning why I grow. Put my plants on a flatbed, that's a wide load. Super cropping, mainline and Bushmaster bros. Canopy of colas let you know that we some pros. Age-old kelp crab meal mixing my potion. Soluble seaweed powder and fish emotion. Swimming in the green ocean, great white. Moon's out, gravity pulling, it's late night. I'm the type who gets down in dirty and dank trees. Heard my raps and they fell like wilted fan leaves. That's old D. That's old D. I'm off a TR double, I'm off a TR double E. With Bleezy, with Bleezy. I got hydrate in my blood and urge in my brain. I got fire in my lungs, cause I've been lighting sticky with the flame.
That's gotta be it. So I'm guessing we just park anywhere,
Follow
eh?
those people.